The nominees for Achievers Individual are Bhushan Mahindrakar, Unit Head, Retail Asset Operations. Bhushan has played a pivotal role in managing projects for regulatory audits, customer fulfillments, repayment banking and customer communication with significant improvements. The expertise and dedication displayed by Bhushan in addressing critical deliverables in FY24 have ensured timely resolution and support for the business. Some noteworthy work done by Bhushan in the retail assets loan lifecycle management include development of EMI banking application, portfolio monitoring, ensuring no cases are breaching the tenor, and implementation of quarterly loan statement. He handled a deal closure successfully by completing the recon, refunds and recovery for 1,596 accounts in FY23-24. Kaval Agnihotri, Senior Manager, Credit Card Policy and Underwriting. Kaval drives process change and improvement in key business projects as the SPOC for credit function. Her initiatives have resulted in increased effectiveness of policy rules maintained on system. She ensures alignment of system and process changes with approved policy guidelines from a credit perspective. Through her efforts, the complexity of policy rules on the BRE system was simplified and standardized. Over 120 rules were carefully reviewed and condensed to 60 in production. Her dedication and efficiency are worthy of recognition and applause. Vijay Tambe, Assistant Vice President, Secretarial. From streamlining the online portal updation process to successful contract negotiations, Vijay has proven to be a valuable contributor in adhering to SEBI guidelines. He also ensures that the data of our designated employees is updated timely and looks after the renewal of our contract with R&T. Vijay's diligence in ensuring that the designated person updates their data in the system on a regular basis is commendable. By offering support and addressing queries, he plays a key role in maintaining data accuracy and compliance. Through skillful negotiations with the R&T agent during contract renewal, he was able to secure significant savings of more than 15 lakhs per annum on fixed costs. Pinky Maheshri, Program Manager, Retail Smart Branch. From simplifying processes to enhancing productivity, Pinky's initiatives are transforming the contact center processes with an aim to increase productivity and make it a cost-effective channel. Understanding the complexities of drop lead calling is key to improving efficiency. Pinky has worked with other relevant teams to refine the logic, resulting in a 50% less caller requirement to open same number of accounts. Through rigorous benchmarking and model preparation, she successfully presented a plan to leaders for enhancing bank's virtual relationship manager channel. Pinky's dedication towards dropped lead retargeting and virtual relationship manager unit has significantly improved productivity. Aniruddha Mulay, Head IRAC, Risk and Finance Analytics and Assurance Group. Heading the IRAC department, Aniruddha oversees NPA recognition, asset classification, DPD and SMA computation, and IRAC provision for NPA, restructuring and UFCE provisioning. His team also handles the reporting of NPA, restructuring and SMA. Aniruddha's excellent work in successfully closing the RMP point on NPA automation and addressing the 14 RAR observations demonstrates his commitment to excellence in risk assessment. Aniruddha's ability to navigate challenges and lead the automation of NPA interest reversal in Vision Plus showcases his exceptional skills and dedication to overcoming barriers. Ashok Kumar, Team Lead, Mortgage CAD, Credit Admin and Lending Operations. Ashok created a mortgage desk in corporate banking, collateral for corporates, that was previously outsourced. The tasks include connecting with lawyers, understanding property papers, verifying deeds and creating documents that the bank and client will sign. All of these are now handled in-house through this desk. Mortgage Desk is providing comprehensive support in managing collateral for corporates. With in-house team of expert lawyers, they ensure that risk is assessed accurately and the bank is accurately covered to make sure there are no property frauds through the collateral submitted. The meticulous effort put into establishing this internal desk by Ashok, despite its complexities, resulted in the bank handling 200 plus cases with zero reporting of fraud cases. Bhuri Singh, Deputy Manager, Portfolio Analysis, Credit Cards. Bhuri's significant contributions have played a crucial role in advancing the growth of the RBL Bank credit card upgrade process. The meticulous approach taken by Bhuri in analyzing the customer base and identifying potential upgraded clients has led to efficient digital conversions within the sales team using cost-effective channels such as calls, straight-through process and chatbots, while closely monitoring progress and conversions. Through his dedication and teamwork with the sales team, Bhuri was able to deliver outstanding results with over 80k credit card upgrades and over 12 crore of upgrade incremental fee generated during last FY.